Hi folks, Marcus here at UK Barbecue School, and today I'm cooking a roast chicken on the Kamado. So you don't always need fancy food cooked on the barbecue and low and slow. I quite like a roast, like a nice roast chicken and a few roast vegetables, something nice and simple, tasty, delicious. And you're giving it that magic extra hit of smoke, which is the amazing thing about cooking on a barbecue such as this lovely Kamado Joe here. So today I'm going nice and simple, a nice corn-fed chicken. I'm going to use my meter plus here to make sure that the temperature is perfect, that it hits at 74 degrees C, and I've got a nice squash here that I'm going to put underneath it just to soak up all the lovely juices from the chicken as it cooks. A little olive oil. I'm going to put a few sprigs of thyme down in amongst the squash. Okay, so get your chicken. I'm going to put my meter probe up into the thickest part of the breast there. Then place that onto the squash like that. A little bit of olive oil over the top. Rub that in. And then generous with the salt and pepper over the top. So now the chicken's done, ready to go in, we've got to get the barbecue lit. Get some charcoal. Okay, so I've set up my Kamado for indirect cooking on this side and direct cooking on this side. So I've got a lovely big indirect zone with the lid down, and this is going to give nice heat over the top of the chicken and cook it through. So direct side, indirect side. Always give yourself space that's indirect on a barbecue. I'm going to pop this on the tray just to catch all that lovely juice from that chicken over here on the indirect side. And we're looking for about 180 degrees C for this. Okay, so I'm going to set up my meter for this cook. So set up, poultry, chicken, whole chicken, 74 degrees C is the safe temperature. Start cook. There we go. So it should take about 40 minutes or so at 180 degrees. Okay, so meter's telling me it's time to remove the chicken from the heat. It's been a fantastic, I just popped it in and left it really, so it should have a nice smoke from the cherry, and let's have a look and see how we've done. So let's have a peek. Oh yes, look at the colour on that. Okay, so the chicken looks amazing. It's rested here. The meter's told me it's hit temperature, so it's done its job great. Let's take that out. Looks nice and juicy in there. But let's take this off and carve into it. So I'm going to remove the wings and then slice into the breast there. So a few slices. Of the breast here. Oh my, that's so juicy. That is really juicy and delicious. We can plate this up just with that beautiful chicken breast. A little bit of the fresh thyme over the top. And what you want to do now here is not waste any of that juice in the bottom of the tray. So a little drizzle of that over the top as well. There we go. Okay, so it's a cold day here, a bit blustery, as you can hear in the background. I need some nice warm food. I'm looking forward to this. It smells delicious. Let's get a bit of that crispy chicken skin and the chicken in the juice. Try a bit of that squash. The skin's quite thin on this one, so you can eat that too. A bit of sweetness there from that squash with the chicken with the thyme over. It's lovely. Beautiful, simple roast chicken dinner there. Absolutely nailed with the meter, and yeah, I'm looking forward to this. Nice lunch. Hope you have a go at something like this. You don't need to always cook fancy, big, low and slow stuff. Just a nice roast chicken with some vegetables is a great way to cook on the barbecue. Enjoy.